Hey, are you tired of measuring your worth by society standards? Can we redefine success beyond traditional measures? Can we break free from limitations of societal expectations and discover what success truly means on our own terms? This is Life's Journey, and I'm Vismaya. Welcome back to my channel where I challenge norms and explore true essence of life. Let me ask you this. Do you believe in success and failure or the term success and failure? Because I don't fully subscribe to the traditional perspective of success and failure. If you want to know why, be with me till the end. Success and failure often compared against each other as if there's a definitive way to measure them. They're measured against set standards like achieving high paying jobs or passing some exams. It's almost keeping Ambani as a standard to define it. Success and failure are not one size fits all concepts. They're highly subjective and context dependent. Let me give you an example. Have you ever experienced this? Something that once felt like a big win, like winning an argument with elders, now seems unimportant. Similarly, achieving a personal goal, like finishing a marathon, feels significant only at that point of time. Whether it is landing on the dream job, passing an entrance exam, earning money, or competing with neighbors for possessions, everything can lose its importance once accomplished. If you can truly reflect on it, you will understand. As we learn and grow, our idea of success evolves. What once felt like a major accomplishment might not matter us as much in the current situation. In short, success and failure aren't set in stone. They are time relevant, event specific, and situation dependent. Let me tell you why don't I see success and failure as an entity. For instance, if I remember when I failed my 12th grade, up until that point of time, I had believed that success meant qualifying the 12th grade exam and pursuing a career in medicine. But when I did not make it, all my preconceived notions about success and failure just vanished. Those were the pivotal moment of my life, a moment of realization that success is not about meeting some set standards, but about finding my way forward. Later, accumulating degrees after degrees did not even bring the matter of success and failure. I just considered them events of my life. What I realized was I needed to keep searching for new path, new definition of success every point of my life. Life is about making choices and embracing the journey, no matter where it takes us. And my experience made me believe we are an expression of our energy. Truth is, we often crave life full of joy and comfort, like walking on the rose petals. The thing is, we forget that roses don't last forever. If we don't clean them, they degrade, they stink. Similarly, staying too comfortable can lead to stagnation. Like a neglected rose is decaying over time. Life is all about embracing each moment, finding gratitude in the journey, and recognizing the growth that comes from overcoming the challenges. It's a continuous cycle of learning, evolving, and cherishing every experiences along the way. Starting the day with a smile and ending it with a sense of accomplishment and peace is indeed fulfilling. Success and failure are fluid aspects of life. By redefining our understanding of success and accepting the lessons from failure, we can lead more fulfilling lives on our own terms. Success means different things to different people, and what matters one point of time not matter at another. Let's continue to grow, learn, and make choices that align with who we truly are, instead of comparing with someone else or setting certain standards to measure the growth. Remember, nothing is permanent, and world is not ending today. And if it were, everyone would experience it, not just you or me. Difference starts from our thinking. Let's do the proper thinking and keep moving forward. If you're enjoying my video and found it insightful, I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thanks for being a part of this community. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Keep thriving.